Welcome to Try This Next, your go-to for automotive care. Today, we reveal the top 5 premier car detailing and cleaning kits that deliver showroom quality from gloss from home. From pH balances, washes, to dual action polishers, these kits maximize performance. Let's roll. Number 1. pH Balanced Nano-Ceramic Wash Kit. Number 2. Dual Action Polisher Master Set. Number 3. Rapid Cure Ceramic Spray Sealant. Number 4. Interior Upholstery and Leather Care Kit. Number 5. Wheel Well and Tire Gloss Bundle. Thanks for watching Try This Next. Click links below to shop, subscribe, and hit the bell for more car care hacks. Until next time.